Hello all, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know, I'm a gold trader. So I just saw a very good setup on XAUUSD right now. I want to take that trade and I want us to do it together, okay? I'm going to show you ranges from the analysis, how I make decision and how I took this trade, all right? So let's dive in now. So right now, today is 19th of June, 2025, as you can see right there on my screen, okay? So this day started basically from this level right here. You could see this shows 19 from here, okay? So I came to the market at this time, all right? So while I'm in the market, there's something I could, see clearly. I could see that this market has actually created a high, and every single day we do have high and low created in every market, no matter which pair you are trading. Are you trading XAUUSD? You're trading NASDAQ? You're trading stock? You're trading, crypto? Whichever trading you are trading, every single day has a maximum high and has a maximum low, okay? So right now I could see a rejection shown on 19, which was this level right here. So I'm gonna have to tap this level right here. You could see, I could see that was a good rejection from the upside, and that is more likely to be the high of that day, okay? No decision yet, but it is more likely to be the high of that day. All right, so the next thing I want to check is, okay, before we had this high of that day, okay, what was the lowest low we could see? All right, we could see a liquidity from the downside, correct? So right here at this level, okay, I could mark out that we had a liquidity being created on the previous day, which was on 18. So this high right here and this liquidity right here makes me to know that a lot of things is going to happen. All right, so fortunately the markets went all the way to this level, and I've been checking this trade for a long time, all right? I was expecting this market to, break below this level, okay? And, have a little rejection back to the upside and then break the liquidity being created at that level. But unfortunately, it actually didn't happen that way, okay? After going to the downside, the market went up and didn't break this liquidity right here, okay? If market breaks that liquidity right there, having 85% assurance that the market is gonna go bearish, okay? So other way around, the markets went all the way up. Now what I wanted to pay very close attention to is the candle we have right here. Could you see how that candle was? That was a bullish candle and it has high momentum. What I wanted to take a very close attention to on this particular analysis is the momentum of the bullish candle that actually break this liquidity right here. Could you see the momentum? That was huge, right? The momentum that broke that key level was a very huge one. So it is more likely for this market to go to the upside, all right? More likely for this market to go to the upside. So now that the market has closed at that level with a bullish candle with a very high momentum to the upside, we're gonna be looking into having a buy position. So right here, we're gonna be going for a buy position. We're gonna be going for a long position from this level. All right, so our liquidity is just gonna be at this point right here, just at the low of the liquidity we've drawn earlier, okay? So right now, when you also pay a very close attention to the market, we have a liquidity at the top we should be targeting, okay? So we're gonna be targeting this liquidity right here as our take profit, and this is gonna be a very great one, okay, if we had this trade correctly. So we're just gonna come back to see exactly what actually happened in the market. So let's talk a little bit more about gold. If you want to start trading, right, you need to have relationship with your peer with whatever thing you are trading. You have to understand the character, how they operate, when you should take trades and when you shouldn't take trade, right? So these are everything I put into consideration before deciding to go for this trade. So we're going to come back later to see the decision that happened in this market. So I'm going to have to tell you this. The mindset that you need a lot of capital to actually start making real money from the market is actually not true. You can start trading with as low as $10, $50, or $100. Well, I want you to understand that that won't make you a millionaire, okay? But that will actually make you have some money in your bag. So while we discuss now, let's go back to see what actually happened in that trade. So right now, when I came back to this trade, I was able to see that the market has actually taken out few liquidities, okay? It has taken out this liquidity, and it has actually also taken out this liquidity, and right now it is showing some momentum to the downside, okay? This could be a rejection, all right? So at this level, I'm gonna have to just take a stop. So I'm gonna have to close the trade from here, and that was how I was able to secure about 80 pips in profit today. So you can actually do the same thing. Whenever you come to the market, take analysis like this, look at what has happened yesterday, what has happened today, make decisions and be bold about your decisions. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell. Use the comment section to ask me any questions about trading, and I'll be there to answer all your questions. See you guys in my next video.